I think I have a problem. Now you might be asking, Laney, hell are you talking about? I think you got the same problem too. I just can't stay off of Facebook Marketplace. Even though I have no money, I somehow figure out how to find a good deal every single day. And that's exactly what we got for Susie today. Let's go check it out. Here it is, guys. We finally got a carbon fiber front lip for Susie. It's the Sabre one, it's the one I wanted, and we got a crazy deal on it. Y'all know these things is expensive, boy, and I ain't Bill Gates. So we gonna keep getting all the hand-me-downs possible. The wing right now is getting re-clear coated, so we're gonna have the front lip, we're gonna have the wing on there, and Susie's gonna get put up. And shut up. But first, before we go ahead and install the lip, we gotta give Susie a wash because she's absolutely filthy.
Telling her she pretty, and she like, yeah, I know. She know she my type, you should know I don't like it slow. 10 out of 10 from her head to her toes. Exclusive like Virgil did her clothes. And I can get you off my mind, oh. I can get you off my mind, oh. Oh, you busy, but you make time for me. Slap a hoe, if they out of line for me. You so crazy, do a crime for me. You and I got a nice charm to me. You might be too expensive.
All right, first order of business. We got her propped up on some bricks right now because we got the homie over there. First order of business is taking off these little tabs. Those are gonna clip back in right here on these holes, and then we have hardware already going in for these holes, and then we're gonna re-put the 3M tape in, and Susie gonna be sitting pretty. We got big plans for this car, but we have to finish that one. Skyla's priority. Hoodie Laney back. We got the lip on the car. It's not fully bolted on yet, but I want to give you guys a little look. Boy, Sabre, y'all made a fantastic lip. This is, in my opinion, the best looking lip out on the market for a Supra. Voila. That be looking good though. Hold on, the shade kind of ruining my shot. Hold on. So much more aggressive. We're gonna need some little canards soon. All right, y'all, quick intermission on the daily. So the G, we just got my boy Isaiah from Gear Shift. Hooked it up. If y'all need a mobile mechanic within California, SoCal, hit him up. Highly recommend my boy. I will be doing a story time. I went through a few mobile mechanics and through a few shops that gave me a horrible experience and horrible time that I'm gonna be exposing they bitch ass a little later. My boy Isaiah was dope. Got the job done. Everything nice, everything clean and tidy, but we gotta let that stuff a little, sit for a little bit. And the daily should be back, and we will be keeping the Supra right here for the foreseeable future. We got the lip fully installed. We're gonna lower it and see what it looks like sitting on the ground. This thing looks so amazing. We need some canards, but for right now, this shit looks fucking sick. And the wing too gonna go crazy with it. So I'm pretty happy with how the Supra is coming along. All right, you wanna record me?
Really, bro. I mean, I don't really got a choice, do I?
No, you don't.
Yeah, I figured.
See? Woo! Look how close we were to the brick, bro.
Yeah, I know. When I put my thumbs up, bro, you kept going. I was like, oh yo,
Oh yo, brick out. Bro, this one was touching. Yeah. Well, we didn't hear nothing, bro. Crack, so that's good. New lip, new me. Damn. Whew, peep the scenery. What a great duo. We are gonna be taking the GTR to the drag strip right down the street because the homies at Plus One Paradise are having a little meet again. We're gonna go show some love. I would take the Supra, but for reasons I'm taking the GTR. GTR is a little cooler. We are literally almost touching. That's a little scary, but again, y'all, peep the scenery. It's so crazy that we actually have these two cars in our possession. I can't begin to explain the feeling that this car gives me. Like, this truly is the best car ever made. Honestly, there ain't nothing like this. Ooh, I know that was a flame. Oh yeah, Skylar's ready to play today on the hood. We made it. And I peep an Evo. You already know I'm happy about that. I don't know about the color, but I like the car though. So Skyla's here, we made it. I'm not putting her in the show because I want to be able to leave when I want to leave. I hate getting trapped in places and being here for like 19 hours. But we're gonna go and we're gonna enjoy some dope cars.
Outside every weekend, block triple weekend. See you kicking, but ain't speaking. If you coming when we leaving.
Let me know, chat. Should we get the Ings rear bumper back on Susie or nah? But this time we would have to do the carbon version like we see here. Ooh, what's going on in there? I don't know. For sure need this hood. This is the hood that we gonna get on Susie. I'm telling y'all, Pete, y'all gotta see the vision. You know what I'm saying? We got rid of the Yam and we doing bigger things now. But this is the hood I'm looking at for Susie, and I know Blacklist Motorsports gonna hook it up. Damn! On the dead Gerbers. Hey, somebody help, bro. But this shit hard than a motherfucker though. Real track car, and he got these are my favorite wheels of all time, y'all. I really hope y'all can hear me. But peep this GR though. This shit dope.
I'm gonna put that thing in a wheel.
Peep the scenery.
And choose someone.
Gangy on the inside, look hard. K swap. Or is this a K? I don't know. I don't know shit about Honda motors, but this swap hard than a motherfucker. Okay, this is definitely on the list, y'all. We gotta get one of these. All right, we made it to the crib. We back. We left the meet. We finna let Yam try to drive the GTR. When was the last time you drove manual?
When was it D's car? When my fucking hand slipped off the
Oh, that was yeah. I gotta insert that clip right there.
insert clip here.
Got it? Hell yeah. Alright, I'm only letting you do this because we homies. Even though I really don't fuck with you like that, but wait, do that again. Why does everything you do look so stupid? I don't know. You remember how to everything to do? Nice. Okay. You're in first? Cool. Just making sure I was asking. Oh my god. Okay. Cool. Cool. You really driving a GTR, bro?
Yeah, first time.
First time. This is the first. Hey, this your for real first time driving a GTR.
Yeah.
More than like 5 feet.
It's kind of weird.
What was you finna do right there?
Rolling burning.
Oh, okay. I was finna smoke my clutch. Oh my god. It's okay. We gotta get another clutch anyways. You doing your shit though.
Me, I can.
On me. You ain't stall. That's good.
Yep.
Oh, chill, gang. Take your time. Take your time. Shift. The fuck? Oh my god. Hey, you did it though, okay? Nah, you didn't really mess nothing up. It just ain't as smooth as it should be.
First time.
That's cool. You doing good. Shit. Fuck, run this stop sign. Do not stop on the hill, bro. Keep going. Do it a little bit. Take it a third. Yeah. That's fifth, you fucking tard.
My fault, bro.
That boy shift bow-legged. How the fuck you shift bow-legged?
Hey, bro.
He put that shit in fifth. Oh, we're running into a fucking car meet. Hey, don't embarrass yourself over here.
Bro.
Don't embarrass yourself.
Hey, bro.
Look, he's already looking at you stupid as shit. Clutch down, intern. Oh my god, the car's bogging down so bad. Oh my god. Clutch in! Clutch in! Clutch in!
That was clutch in. Hey, bro.
Bro, you just embarrassed yourself.
Fuck it.
Fuck it though, you downshift.
I've never
sorry, clutch in, put it into fourth, blip it, and let off the clutch. Okay.
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 It don't smell like nothing's on fire or nothing.
Yeah. Clutch in?
Yeah, clutch in, brake, put in second. There you go. Blip it. There you go. You always want to give it a little gas before you let off the clutch.
Oh, okay. Hey, bro, I'm doing way better than the first time I did this shit.
Way fucking better. Way better. Y'all, I'm gonna insert some clips of the other times we drove some manual with him behind the wheel. But he's doing good.
Hey.
We gotta get you some of that experience so that way when you buy your RX-7 or your NSX, you straight. Take your time, make this shit smooth. Wait for it to grab. You'll feel it. There you go. Oh. Not bad. You know, you got it.
Yeah, I feel like if you give me...
If I give you like 3 days, you'll be straight.
So clutch in while I turn?
You don't need to. Nah.